Welcome to Naija Watch channel. We are here to entertain you with a series of videos. Naija Watch always promote videos from our presenters both home in Nigeria and all over the world. We do our best to be up to date with breaking news, gist and gossip from your favorite presenters. Naija Watch will always ensure to bring entertainment to your doorstep and to your household. We also encourage those who want their voices to be heard both in Nigeria and all over the world to come be a member of the ever-accommodating Naija Watch family.
Do you love to be updated about what's going on around you? Your roots, both home and abroad? Do you want to be updated about situation reports, speeches, and comments from your favorite presenters? Then look no further, because Naija Watch channel is your #1 channel. Do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos to your friends and your families. And also turn on your notification button so you can be updated and notified whenever we upload our latest videos.
But thank you for being a member of the Naija Watch family. We are always accommodating, and do not forget to share and like our videos. Bye-bye and God bless you.
Bros, morning.
Morning.
Have your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Onwe Uyigwe.
AK.
He herself as my youngest chief in Ward.
Okay. Avec come for road. Avec bros, this is Naija Watch.
Yes.
Naija Watch, and this program, na those for abroad na in get time to know how the situation of the state be.
Okay. They want to know more about our city.
Yes, Avec go from here. They talk to me.
Yeah.
But what's the challenges of this road?
Okay.
Yes.
Anybody within around the world go to hear.
Yes.
As I they let you, they know now.
Okay. Yes.
Right from the beginning to the ending.
Yes.
No ass get light for over 4 days.
Okay.
If you even see the condition of the street.
What's the name of this street?
The name of this street is Azama.
Okay.
Azama is off Wire Road and up Isegere.
Okay.
Anybody when there, Benin within, go know Oloton Palace.
Okay.
So as
Which side would the head go so now?
We dey head towards the side of Oloton Palace.
Okay.
You even dey see the street.
Yes.
They say charity begins at home.
Okay.
Yeah. Charity begins at home. I don't know whether it's another place or our own here is spread from the elders, even from the Odion way.
Okay.
The character where then they exhibit.
Okay.
You know they match normal human being
Okay.
for our street. You go say, let us join hands together. May we let government know. This is like big English people go they call them bypass.
Yes.
If you have a terminal very close,
Okay.
not even up to 1 kilometer
Okay.
or 2 kilometers.
Okay.
All streets or lane way close to, all need to be tidying. They will tidy all where.
Yes.
You look at our own as small street, junction to junction.
Okay.
How many house comprises? We still face the challenges of potholes. Potholes still dey our street. Look our own street now. Maybe say if you call person for this junction,
Yes.
shout him name who dey junction for Wire Road. Call person from Oloton Palace.
Yes.
Who dey junction for Wire Road go here.
Okay.
See the road here now. The train system, they don't even dey treat am well. You go see, this dirty na water. Na rain flow am come. Come. See. See the fences. See there.
Yes.
And it close to terminal, which the government is still working on. The government of the day
Okay.
is still working on it. Then they work on it. Now, how we do? How we you want to face the environmental challenges? 1, 2, 3. See now. This one, if you put that terminal, the new garage,
Yes.
in good order. All this road where they not maintain. Any moment from now, you'll see the way motor will pass us.
Yes.
Because hold up go dey major road.
Which major road? Which major road?
Major road like Wire Road.
Okay.
From Ring Road.
Okay.
Which leads to other road.
Okay.
See our own now. See the challenges. If I wear trouser, pota go don stain us. Eh? See. From here.
Yes.
If at times we no wake up, government no wake up.
Hold on.
He go. You see motor dey pass now. Eh?
Okay. Now, which junction we dey now?
We dey between Oloton Palace.
Stay here. Yeah. Okay.
As you can see, Oloton Palace.
Okay, now be this.
See, hold up there now, here dem dey use. See our junction. Our gutters are not flowing well. If we even talk of government, we go talk our own out of it. Why?
Yeah.
Because this dirty no be government pour am for gutter.
Okay.
This dirty no for follow rain come. Yes. Even in Benin, our own here is worse than any other one. Our own, you see, hold up now, here dem go use. Our own here is worse than any other one. See now, hold up there. You know this no good, you know they contain two at the same time. Eh? You know they contain two at the same time. How we want to? Even when rain fall, now rain dey carry Pangolo come.
No.
Rain follow Pangolo come from home.
No.
Not be we.
Yes.
The Obaseki, I know say na the same condition we all dey. Eh? He sef need to call if not the traditional rulers. Make dem advise their people. Make dem no go see where your friend dey.
Okay.
So that they go talk to their people. When rain fall, Pangolo no dey follow rain. This is a club like this now.
Yes.
As this one be, you want to be say na rain follow come?
No be rain.
This one na rain follow come?
No be rain.
The government of the day need to talk to the traditional ruler and the Odianwere. This street guy Odianwere. Just see now. Even if you come, this one now, is good for road.
No.
This one good for road.
Not good.
So, you go see. This one good for road.
No.
Okay. As for the government, now we go dey blame.
No.
Can we blame the elders? Can we blame the elders on the other way around? If you see, here and there, all these ones now, the time to continue marching, they come to me. See that? This one, you don't get it.
Yes.
When they find this now rain follow, rain wey fall from up, no be from the elders of the street.
And the people. Now wait. Abeg dress come this side, make you comot for road. You dey talk of the elders. Abeg face me.
This street girl dey
wait. Now the elders. You don explain many things to me.
Yes sir.
Wey dey happen for this street.
Our street.
Yes.
Azama.
Yes. And I come see say true. I see say this road e dey busy since where they look am. As on the other side.
You see eh?
Yes.
Na wetin dey person mouth na government dey find.
Yes.
Even all this rubber, e dey cut off for road.
Yes.
Every day I no wan make road dey here. I dey first pick am comot.
Okay.
As that where this nose dey for the outside.
Yes.
Odianwere house. Na that side dem dirty pass for the street o.
Okay.
You see, Oshobe no be one man load o.
No be lie.
We know say government. Okay, na government throw away all this dirty.
No.
This dirty for follow rain come.
No, enough.
So na where they say grassroots politician, we get grassroots politician. No be 4 years dem take dey remember. Dem go still remember us say this street too dirty.
Yes.
If you make me SSA to the governor, to this street, this area now Ward 4, I know how to control government. See how e be, but government no fit see everything from e office alone.
No be lie.
That's why e get commissioner.
That's why
e get councillor.
That's why Naija Watch come here now to ensure say government see am.
Here now, all my people dey see Naija Watch. At least even this one wey Naija watch remember us, we don benefit from it. At least the government no do forget us.
Yes.
The governor come from Ward 4. We dey talk from Ward 4 where the governor for come.
Okay.
Yes. At least you go still remember. No pikin dey bow forget him face.
Yes.
Yes, na we be here. One of the results wey your people trust na the one wey come from Ward 4.
Okay.
Today they go forget we for Ward 4.
No.
If to say this man, he dey hear me, he go hear me. Come.
Which man? Which man? Which
no
man?
Be that man wey be our governor wey be here not too long. May he do well. May he do well. If he come back like yesterday, he go back tomorrow. We still there for am. As we no fit deny and say na our own. May he no still deny we say we no be your own again. Just look na. If you cross Isegede,
yes.
The next 2 streets, the new park, the terminal there.
Okay.
So all these streets, if you know they okay, I don't tell you some just terminal. A tree cannot make a forest.
Okay. My brother, this your report. If like say na protest, you just did.
No be protest.
May you take am easy.
If you say me I take am easy,
yeah.
I go call am say na one man riot. Now let me the riot. I not even call anybody now. Look my riot. Anybody get my back?
No.
That man they say me home. Oh, let me get my riot. They protest alone. No be say they shout because in the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence and it was taken by force. Now as I fit they talk me here.
In everything they talk now, the true matter say make governor. May those state government
come. Never say road dey here.
Which road be this one again?
This one be Azama
Street.
He come out for Wire Road.
Okay.
He come out for Isegede near Oloton Palace.
Okay.
Oloton is a high chief wey they know for Benin.
Okay.
Yes. He go remember say street dey here wey link to the new park wey they build.
Oga, you know that you see now Wire Road now.
Yes, sir.
He block now as I dey see am so.
Na here dem dey use.
So now I make them dey pass here now.
Na here dem.
So now you say this road get real value.
To the
state.
To the state.
Because when the two side block. When the two side block.
Yes, sir.
They go pass am.
Yes.
So which local government would they so?
We dey Oredo.
Oredo local government.
Ward
4 for Oredo.
This is Ward 4 for Oredo.
Okay.
Because this Ward 4. Like this, let's separate 4 from 5.
Okay. No, okay, now you have a boundary between Ward 4 and Ward 5. Okay. Yes.
It be like boundary between Nigeria and Niger.
My brother, your name, not tell me your name.
My name na Onwe Uyigwe, aka the Ase of Azama, the only chief wey do Igwe for say. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. I appreciate everything where you talk here. As you can see, say na Azama Street I dey for Oredo Ward 4 and then talk. The challenges wey they go through, na some of the guys tell me wetin me I take like your own wetin he talk about say he carry blame go outside, he carry give the people, he carry go those wey dey government or government rather say they no do their work. Na make his story e sweet me because he no carry his story based on go one side because out of hatred or as the case may be. But the truth be say wetin draw my attention to this road na when I dey waka pass this road I see the way vehicle dey pass. I come see say Wire Road e block and I see say the way the vehicle dey pass here. Now I come say this road na real service lane. Some major road dey wey dey type for Benin wey no busy reach this Azama Road. As you go see am dey watch am through this video, you see am say road block and vehicle dey ply to this road like say tomorrow no dey. They use this medium see draw our state government to this road because this road get big purpose because no be inside village e dey because e link two major streets Isekere and Wire Road. And from this Wire Road for this this Azama Street e go link Obakawaye Oloton Street wey go take you straight to the modern park wey the state government dey build currently now wey don dey go small. So on that ground we make sure say appeal to the relevant authority make dem do the needful, make dem rise up to their responsibility. And we know say everything dem no fit do dem once because e don take way spoil. Make state government make dem add this road join their project budget wey dem wan do, because this road e dey viable very well and e dey ease traffic whenever some of these major road block. And major road for this area like Iyogbe and all of them, na so all of them be. I wan still use this one draw the attention of Ministry of Environment to Iyogbe, to Isekere Baosasco and other points of wey dem pull manhole. As I dey talk to you so, I don draw the attention to this manhole issue. They no gree talk put, time no permit me to go this area. I for go Iyogbe wey e not too far from this very place, and go see manhole for first Iyogbe. If you just enter from Isekere there, you see very deep one by Osasco, one by Agadagudi street, and those areas na school children na dey waka around. Na Naija Watch na carry this news give una. As we know say Edo say na make e better, na e dey, because if e better e go be for every one of us. The name of this program for under Edo Watch TV na Ewatatamegbe. If you go your YouTube, you go see Edo Watch stand gidigba for there. Na there me I end this waka for today. My name remain Lefty Amaosa Igbinowaya, wey dey report for Naija Watch. My people, una do well.
Yeah, that's what we be that. That's what we end. Look una watch out, look una share out, look una tell who never hear. But this just to love what you supposed to miss. Community miss out. Understand? And this is why they watch and hear, they watch and hear. So you supposed to watch out for your gadgets, not miss out. Call your family members, share out to your family and friends. Make them follow up this gist. Because you don't get information, they say that any power. If you don't get the information, you don't get use of the show until they happen around you. Don't forget to share our videos all the time, and they always remind you now. Subscribe to this channel, your Google channel. You know, say in our channel, you know, say you can't get it elsewhere. Naija Watch.